try to do this longer one that's up to 4 hours. Sorry, 2 hours. You're given an array of prices where prices I stock on ith day. You want to maximize your profit by choosing a single day to buy one stock and choosing a different day in the future to sell that stock, return max profit. Okay, so basically I want to keep a pointer where I want to keep a pointer where if it dips from the previous index, I'll just say, oh yeah, minimum. And then if it's higher than that minimum pointer, then I would just subtract it. So like 5 minus 1 is 4, and then I update that as my maximum. And then 3 is less than, well, 3 is not less than 1, so we still have 1 here on the buy side. And then but 3 minus 1 is less than 5 minus 1, so we don't update that sum. And then 6 minus 1 is 5, and then 4 minus 1 is 3, so we don't update it and return 5. So for num in prices, price in prices, current minimum is product prices 0. Are we guaranteed that this length is, yep. If price is less than current min, then price in current min equals price. So now I'll update that pointer. And then if price is greater than or equal to current min, then max score is max score if price minus current min is greater than equal to, sorry, greater than less than max score, else yeah, so this is the equivalent of like the 5 minus 1. And our profit would be, let's say, 4. And then if this profit is less than the max score, then we just keep the max score, else we'll just update the max score with the profit. Let's see what we get here. So we do output 5. I'm curious if we output 0 here. There's also 0 if it's monotonically increasing, and then I'm just gonna do some random numbers here and then just see what happens. Just to test it out, 5, 0, and 98. I see, so 1 and 99, all right. Okay, cool. So that's this one, took 5 minutes. Let's move on. Next one, I'm sure will get a lot harder.